So magandang araw Kabola. Sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin, Kabola is the top 10 current free agent Kabola. So in-update natin yung listahan. Tingnan nyo yung mga pwedeng i-target pa po ng favorite team nyo na idagdag without trading anybody Kabola. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Start po with comments ng mga fans. So one of recent video natin, Ronald Burpesi died. Pa-shoutout sir, thank you for the support. Rico Serranado, next conference, Reno Shine or Converge na naman magcha-champion. So of course that is our hope Kabola na isa naman po independent team yung makita natin mag-champion. Jen Gavilan, hindi talaga patas, kasalanan ba ng SMC at MVP kung may pera sila? Problema yan ng ibang team dyan na sumali dyan, alanganin ang kanilang pera. Huwag mong sisiyan ng SMC at MVP dahil gusto nila mag-champion. Wala namang issue dun sa point mo Kabola. Wala namang issue kasi advantage talaga nila yung kanilang mas malaking capacity po financially. Even in the other leagues, meron namang klarong mga teams dyan na may advantage in terms of money. Kabola, ang issue natin sa SMC at MVP, hindi po yun. Ang pinaka-issue sa SMC at MVP is bakit po nila Kabola kailangang i-bench. Basically, kailangang lumabag Kabola sa mga rules and etc. Not really about the PBA siguro, but more of fair competition by having so-called farm teams Kabola. 'Di ba? Hindi naman po talaga in terms fair yan Kabola, having farm teams. Paano naging fair yun? 'Di ba Kabola? Na may pinapasok ka ng mga teams Kabola na hindi naman nandoon to compete but actually to sell players Kabola, 'di ba? So that is the issue with SMC/MVP group Kabola, that we hope that kung may stop yan, mas magbabalik po agad yung tiwala ng mga Filipino fans. Sabi ni Anthony Lucky Alon, shoutout idol, salamat po. Daniel O'Hara, good morning idol, shoutout po dito sa Masbate. Anong petsa ba ang umpisa sa susunod na conference? Kasi mas maganda tignan ang susunod na conference, puro kasi matatangkad ang mga import, November 27 if I'm not mistaken. Yun po yung exact date Kabola. Now speaking dito po sa finals ngayon, talagang in-highlight nila yung attendance. Kasi 12,727 na naman daw sa game 5. Kung ako naman titingin, hindi ba yung capacity ng mga arena na pinaglalaroan nila sa Manila is nasa 20k, 'di ba? So parang ang layo pa rin niya dun sa 20k. So magtaas na yung 12,000 plus, pero kalahin mo yun, Ginebra TNT na yung finals, pero hindi pa rin sila lumalapit doon. And for me, that is still nakakalungkot. Although of course, they're saying na mas maganda po yung attendance ngayon, and etc. Pero in reality, kung doon mo po i-base, medyo hindi pa rin po siya magandang tignan. Pero overall, of course, we hope that the PBA will continue to have this good attendance in a way. Ito na yung ating top 10 po na free agent list. Number 10 ko, Jake Pascual. A proven veteran Kabola. So kung may nangangailangan po ng veteran big man dyan, Pascual could be your target. Number 9 ko, David Morel. Ito, napakadaming teams naman talaga nagbigay din opportunity kay Morel. Unfortunately, hindi na rin siya talaga niya na-deliver yung consistency siguro na gusto nilang makita para consistent din po nabibigyan siya ng play and time. Pero I'm still hoping na meron pang isang shot for Morel. Number 8, Carl Brian Cruz Kabola. Maaga pong natanggal yung team niya sa MPBL na Manila Stars, pero still CBC showed that he is a top 5 player in the MPBL and he is still one of the best 3&D forward in the country. So I hope mabigyan ulit ng opportunity si CBC. Number 7 natin, Macho Ganuelas Roser. Ito nakakapagtaka, bakit wala pong nagbibigay ng opportunity kay Macho Ganuelas Roser? A very unique player to, 6'5" to Kabola, who can handle the ball and he defends really well. So I do not think deserve niya po na wala pa po sa PBA unless personal decision. Number 6, Yusef Taha. So si Taha din, I think injury yung reason kaya natanggal po siya sa lineup, pero he's now available. I'm not sure kung healthy siya, pero kung healthy siya, I hope mabigyan po siya ng opportunity kasi this guy is big and he can pass the ball. Number 5, Tyrus Hill. Basically a better version po of David Morel Kabola. He showed enough naman na yun sa Blackwater, and I think Blackwater is willing to give him another spot naman. But for any other team out there looking for an athletic big, they should consider Tyrus Hill. Number 4, Encho Serrano. So Serrano, another top 5 player in the MPBL, very young Kabola, one of the most dynamic guard in the entire Philippines Kabola, sa ganyang edad Kabola, high potential. So I hope makabalik po siya sa PBA. Number 3 ko will be Greg Slaughter. So, Greg Slaughter, the biggest player currently playing the PBA Kabale. So, si Greg, any team can actually get him and mayroon na sila agad pwedeng starting caliber po na center. Meron na po agad sila dapat starting caliber center. The number 2 ko will be Jordan Heading. Number 2, Jordan Heading Kabale. Nalagay na natin siya sa free agency. Bakit? Kasi nga po, nagpaparamdam na siya po ay willing na maglaro po dito po sa PBA. Pero tingnan natin kung gaano po komplikado yung sitwasyon niya with Terra Firma. And the number 1 natin, still Mikey Williams. So, Mikey Williams po, yung ating number 1 kasi nga po, sure na, proven na kabola that he is capable of carrying a team to the finals. He is capable of carrying a team to a championship. And I think there's a way for him to be traded. Pero kailangan lang talaga po makausap siya siguro nung team na interesado sa kanya para makabalik po siya sa PBA. Kung sa palagay mo, sino dito yung gusto mong i-target ng favorite team mo? Comment lang po sa baba.